Experts and scholars will converge in Kingston in the next 2 weeks to discuss some of the most pressing issues facing Jamaica and by extension the region. Among them, natural disasters and how people cope mentally with loss, damage and trauma from these weather events. Hurricane Melissa has reaffirmed the need to have thought leaders explore these issues following its devastation in Jamaica.
Meaningful dialogue around the issues that matter most: health, education, youth empowerment, environmental stewardship, preparation for natural disasters, and economic resilience in our Caribbean territories, as well as look at mental health challenges facing persons post-natural disasters.
The Rotary Club's District 7020 Assembly and Conference was officially launched at the Pegasus. The event will be hosted from April 27 to May 2 in Kingston under the theme Unite for Good. The group's leadership is hopeful of attracting more young people into service movements.
Rotary must remain a constant force for good, grounded in ethics, driven by service, and bold in leadership. We must lead not only with our hands, but with our hearts and our courage. We must deepen our impact in communities, expand our reach through more partnerships, and elevate our relevance, especially among young people who will carry this movement forward generations to come.